What is up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you again today with another helpful video for all you Amazon sellers out there. And if it's your first time to my channel, welcome guys. I'm glad that you're here. Please consider subscribing if you like talking about Amazon FBA and you're looking for someone to kind of help guide you on the road to that victory, making passive income from home or anywhere you want in the world. So with that out of the way, I want to let all you guys know how to kind of prevent your account from getting into a review state or even a suspension state within Amazon. And I know a lot of people on the forums lately inside of Seller Central have been talking about, hey, my account just randomly went into review and now my funds aren't being dispersed to me, or my account just got suspended for no apparent reason. So I'm going to give you 3 ways that you guys can help mitigate your account from ever getting into a review period. And reviews can last anywhere from 24 hours up to 3 freaking months, guys. So that can really be a detriment if Amazon's holding a lot of your money and they're not giving it back to you. And I'll tell you right now, I'm making this video because I specifically had my account under review for almost 2 months and they were holding funds in my account, which they just dispersed to me last night. They never emailed me when I was getting this account review. They never told me a reason about it. And I just noticed it said $0 will be transferred to me on November 25th. And I was like, what the heck is this? So I called seller support and they're like, oh, just email seller-performance@amazon.com. So I did that and they said, please be patient while we are reviewing your account. And I was like, what is the problem? So one thing, guys, I want to get this out of the way right up front. Do not message seller-performance@amazon.com multiple times. If they're reviewing your account, let them do it. The more emails you send to them, the more likely they are to just put you to the back of the line or just suspend your account because they don't want to be bothered with that stuff. And I've heard many people running into that issue. So if they're doing something, they sent you one message, just be patient and wait. And luckily, I waited maybe 3 days after and a weekend, and then they just reinstated my account. But I had to reach out to them. Everything's good now. So the first thing you want to do to never have Seller Performance review your Amazon account is to keep your IPI, your Inventory Performance Index, above 400. Now in the past, they used to have it only at 350 and above was going to be good, but now they've raised it to 400. And I had a problem, and I think this could have been the reason why they reviewed my account, was because I had a problem with some of my inventory, which you guys on my channel have already maybe heard about. I was selling a restricted product. I had to ship that inventory home. So when I shipped about 150 or 200 units back to my house, it lowered my inventory performance pretty far down. And that could have been the reason which spurred Amazon to review my account. Another thing I did was, because I wasn't selling that inventory for a while, I chose to downgrade from a professional Amazon seller account to the individual seller account where I'm not paying 40 bucks a month. This, again, I read on the forums, is a huge reason why Amazon may just go review your account. And for whatever reason, they were just holding my funds in there and reviewing my account for all this time. I don't know what they were doing. They never even sent me an email. And the reason I found out my account was under review was down where it showed my payment under the unavailable balance, there was an option where I could press view more. And when I pressed that, it said account review. Your account's under review due to performance issues. So based on those 2 things, I think that's probably why my account was under review. The last thing that they may put your account under review for, which may only be like a 24-hour or like a week-long review, is if you suddenly get a ton of sales all at once. They may go review your account and just see what's going on here. Are you abusing the system? Are you doing a giveaway? So they're getting more and more sophisticated with that, and you want to be careful about giveaways and launches and things like that. So I always recommend people using 2-step URLs. Get those products in the hands of influencers on Instagram or YouTube. They can make a video and share that with their audience and leave a review at your product at the same time and buy it from a 2-step URL, which is going to help you rank for your keywords. So that's kind of how I like to go about it. I don't like giving away 100 units at a time or doing something crazy. Just getting it in the hands of people that can get me a lot of sales, like influencers. So the other thing is, if you have a review velocity issue where you're getting a ton of reviews at once, they're also going to flag your account, and they may actually flag your ASIN, your product, and not allow it to get more reviews on it in a short period of time like that. So these are all things you guys want to watch out for, and there's other information on forums and stuff that you guys can look into, but just keep your inventory in tip-top shape. Don't try and break terms of service to, you know, hack the system and get your product up higher like that and doing big giveaways. But other than that, I just wanted to bring you this quick video. I'm pretty stoked. I just got my inventory that arrived back into Amazon. I sold out of 100 units in 2 weeks of my brand new test launch of a new product, and it just sold out. So I have that new arrival of inventory that just arrived today, and I'll be showing more of my sales numbers and everything like that coming up soon, guys. So I also just updated my Amazon course with 27 brand new videos, 4 hours and 14 minutes long, of straight Amazon FBA content that's going in for the students in the course, and the price is still $497, but I'm thinking after Black Friday I'm actually going to be increasing the price. So if you guys want an OG mentor who's been in the game for about 2.5, 3 years now, who's going to be there and actually willing to help you guys, compared to big gurus out there that will literally just have you buy their course and never talk to you, I'm your guy. So go check that out before any price increases happen, because I'm really trying to make my course the best thing I can possibly do, and then provide the mentorship on top of it. So definitely go look into it. The link for that is right down below in the description, and you guys should be well on your way, if you haven't already started selling, to start making some passive income, guys. Like, I haven't had a job in 2 years. Life is good. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.